Well, here we are in the South Island of New Zealand, just fishing the freshwater lakes here, trying to spin up some trout. Not having much success at the moment, but hopefully something comes along soon. Caught a monster here. He's not breaking any records, but I'm impressed nonetheless. Very pretty. There you go. Well, we've woken up to a bit of an icy blast overnight, and we're going out with our fishing guide today, and he hasn't rung and told us not to come. So don't know what we're in for, but it should be pretty interesting nonetheless. Looking forward to it. Well, we're out here in the New Zealand Arctic vortex. We're following our fishing guide Ben. Kyle's up there with him at the moment, trudging through the snow. It's pretty bloody freezing, so fishing will be interesting today, but looking forward to it. Should be pretty cool. Definitely a new experience.
What that tells me is that's sitting behind the bigger fish.
Well, we've got a big fish on here, so just got to play it out, get it in. Feels heavy. Hey! Woo!
Well done, brother. Good work.
It's about to go. Yep. Wow. So the method we're using to catch these salmon down here in the Twizel Canal in New Zealand, it's called egg rolling. So we're using small spinning outfits. I'm using one 3 to 4 kilos. We're using braided lines with a leader at the end. And at the end of the leader, we've got a tiny little hook. And we're using a fish egg pattern. And that's why it's called egg rolling. And simply, we just cast it out, let it sink to the bottom with a small sinker and follow the current downstream. Hopefully there's a massive trout or a salmon sitting down when it comes past, and he takes a liking to it. Well, that's the theory anyway, and that's what we're doing, and we'll see how it goes. Here he comes, mate. You'll see ya. Too fucking slippery.
Down here. Sorry, get on my.
That's all you.
That's a beaut, bro.
Well, this is our last day fishing the Twizel Canals. What an amazing week it's been. Caught some pretty epic fish. Had days where we've not caught a thing. We've walked 1,000 kilometres, been frozen to death, gone through a polar vortex, but we've survived and come out the other end. Looking forward to getting home. Also can't wait to come back to this amazing part of the world sometime soon. Well, we've caught one on the soft plastics here. Quite a good one. Very lazy. I was talking about you, mate.
Yes, Christ, come.